Hi guys, to remove the door panel you have to use a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. You can find the trim removal tool in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is a door panel from a Mazda CX-5 and you have to remove that rubber from the inside handle. And also that plastic part from the handle. So to remove the rubber part from inside the handle you can use a trim tool for protecting that plastic parts, for not scratching them. Then you can pull that silver arm and then remove the plastic part from inside, also using a trim tool. In this way you will not scratch the parts, the surfaces from the door panel. There you see, then you will see a bolt inside that handle. So remove those two bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove that plastic piece using also a trim tool. Just pull it out. And there it is. Then unclip the door panel starting from the bottom. You can use a trim tool or you can pull the door panel with your bare hands. After that you have to lift the door panel up to remove it from the window frame. Then remove the cables from the door panel. You just have to press on that tab to release it. You have to know that the door panel has 9 clips, 9 plastic clips. So when you remove the door panel, you will most of them it will break it, and you have to replace it with the new ones. You can find an easy method on how to remove the clips without break them in the video description below. You can find new clips for Mazda in the video description below to replace it. So this is the door panel. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.